I found a solution for abnormal lock and share with you. Did you ever meet the trouble like this? When you insert the key into the lock cylinder, it cannot turn on the lock. But when you pull the key out a short distance, the key will turn on the lock successfully. Let's share how to solve this trouble. First, insert the key into the bottom. It cannot turn on the lock. And then use a knife, draw a line at the entrance. Second, pull the key outward a short distance till turn on the lock. Draw a line at the entrance again. Let's check how much distance needs to be pulled outward. The distance that I measured is 57. And then look for the standard mode on application. Click standard mode. Here we changed into advanced mode. Click adjust. We have to solve the trouble by changing space. 7 spaces. Click anyone. We have to minus 57. Select for all spaces. We can see all the distance of spaces is 57. Click getting picture how to install the key blank. Pay attention, there is a shoulder on the key. Put the key against the shoulder. If ready, remove the stopper and tighten again. Click continue and cut this key. Go on, continue. Clean the particles on the surface. Before changing distance, after changing distance. There is trouble here before changing. After changing space, perfect solution.